Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be diving into a makeup product, which we have not done for a while, I feel like. I received this in my BoxyCharm a couple months ago, or maybe last month. I don't remember at this point, but it's by Moxielash. And as far as I know, I think it's a magnetic eyelash, so I wanted to give it a try. So let's unbag it first and see what's inside. The mesh bag is actually really nice, so that's a plus. Comes with a little card. Moxielash shows what's in it, tells you how to do it. It says line, lash, and boom. Trace lash line with mini magnetic liner. Let it dry for 3 minutes. Place Sassy Lash over dried liner, and your lash easily and comfortably locks into place. That's nice. So it comes with the Sassy 5 Mag Lash. Comes with the bag, a mini black magnetic liner. Let's see, so that's this. And then remover swabbies. So this is to help remove the actual magnetic liner. Okay, let's check out the lashes first. Ooh, those are cute. And the inside is so cute too. I love the looks of those. They're nice and wispy. And they seem shorter. They're not as long as, like, maybe I just haven't seen lashes in a while. I haven't used lashes in a long time. They just seem not as wide. So I might not have to trim them, but we shall see. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, let's check out the swabs. Oh wow, it comes with a lot. So I wonder how many times you can reuse these. I mean, it looks just kind of like a cotton swab. Is there liquid in it though? They're all individually wrapped. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There's 30 of these. So I'm assuming that means you get at least 30 wears out of these eyelashes. And I'm also assuming, I'll open them up later, but I'm assuming they've got to be like a little bit wet or have something on them to help you remove the liner. So those are that, and the mini liquid magnetic eyeliner. Oh my gosh, it looks like a little battery. Oh, that's cute. It's kind of a thick applicator, but that's okay. I wonder if this is gonna have 30 uses in it though. I mean, I would hope, since they're giving you 30 of these, that you would be able to get 30 wears of that. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do real quick off camera is just make sure I have them sized correctly, so when we go to put them on, it's gonna be a lot easier. So I just held them up to my eye to make sure that they would fit, and so far so good. They're not too extremely long. They've got a little bit of space, so they should work. So the next thing to do is just put on the eyeliner. I'm assuming this is gonna dry down black and not clear. I'm scraping a little bit off of the tube here because there's just a lot. It came out with a lot of product. So here we go. I also don't know like how close to the lash line. Oh gosh. I'm assuming as close as you can get. And I also don't know how much to put on. Oh no, I looked up and it transferred, so that sucks already. All right, I'm gonna try not to look up because I don't want to smear more. Okay, let's go back in on the other eye. I don't know if there's just not a lot on this. I put it back in and I didn't wipe it off, but it feels like it's a little bit tugging. I just don't know how much or how little to put on. I don't know how thick it needs to be. The other thing I noticed is because this is a liquid liner, it is like globbing up on my lashes, which isn't a big deal because, I mean, we're putting on false lashes anyways, but I typically don't like eyeliners that do that when I'm wearing just mascara. So we've got this. I'll try to wipe that off later. Maybe I'll try to use a Q-tip for that. I'm just scared it's gonna take off a lot of my eyeshadow as well. And then I'm going to use my telescopic mascara by L'Oreal. I'm just gonna brush it through just a little bit, a light coat, so it'll help my lashes blend into the false lashes better. You can do this before or after. I just feel like doing it before helps save the falsies, because if you're putting mascara on when your falsies are on, the mascara is gunking up on the lashes, and you can clean them off and stuff, but it's easier to do for me beforehand. It might look better after the falsies are on, but I'm still trying to figure that out. I don't wear lashes on a daily, so. If you haven't seen my last magnetic lashes video, you should check that out. That was a shit show. Yeah, it was a shit show. and I haven't touched those lashes since. So since that liner got on my lashes, it did gunk them up a little bit more. It was harder to apply my actual mascara, which is fine. Again, we're putting on lashes. However, I do like to try to separate them a little bit more, especially in the corners of the eyes where the lashes aren't going to reach. I try to get those, but there's a lot of liner gunked up there, so it's not working as well. Also, I do recommend putting the liner on after the eyeliner is dry because I smeared even more. So let's wait a couple more minutes before we put it on. Wait the full minutes, make sure it's completely dry, and then we can stick them on. Okay, I think it's been long enough. It's not transferring anymore. It also felt like really sticky when I put it on as well. So let's just go ahead and try to place these suckers. I'm gonna try to just do it with my fingers onto the first lash, making sure this is the right lash. Okay, how is this gonna go? I don't know. It should just click right on there. It says boom, it clicks. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can feel it like attach. That is the strangest feeling. What? What? It worked. Oh my goodness, it worked. I feel like if I almost put a tiny wing here, that might look really good. This, so far, I am loving it. It's so easy to just take it off and move it over wherever, however you want. This is the best. Oh my God, guys. Let's get on the other one. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the easiest lash I've ever had in my entire life. Oh, what? It's magic. It's just the strangest feeling. See, like this one, I drug down way too much, and see how it makes my eye shape just more droopy? That is not gonna work. So I'm gonna put it more towards the inside, I guess. And it just you kind of can just drag it, shift it. I think they have 1, 2, 3, 5. They've got 5 magnets on them that you can manipulate. What? And then I'm gonna pinch it so it's a little closer to my lash line to make sure it's butted up against it. Holy crapola. That was the fastest lash application. All you have to do is put on the eyeliner. You don't have to be super careful with it. And then you let it dry for 3 minutes and pop them on. It usually will take me like 10 minutes to get on lashes. This is such a time saver, or longer, because I am not good at it. So I don't wear lashes. I am thoroughly impressed right now. And they feel comfortable. I mean, I can kind of see them. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it look okay? Do you like them? Are they too big for me? I don't know. But they're comfortable. They don't feel heavy or anything. It's not like the magnets are super heavy. It's not really weighing down my eyes. Oh, that was the easiest. I'm just so excited. Wow. I'm gonna use these suckers, and I'm gonna go on their website and see if I can find more, because to heck with normal lashes. Amazing. Okay, is that better? You're not so zoomed into my face. I love them. I love them. Just looking at them now. Wow, game changer. So, okay, next thing I'm gonna do is take, oh my God, I'm just so impressed. This little Q-tip thing. I'm gonna see, let's open one up, see if it's got any liquid or anything on it. I think I need scissors to open them. And it's double-ended, so obviously one end for each eye. They do have something on it. I can see on my fingertips a little bit. I zoomed you back in so you could see if it works. I mean, it works, but it's also taking off my eyeshadow, so. Well, there you go. Works. Pretty good, pretty good. Now I gotta blend my eyeshadow back in. Oh my gosh, you have an eyeshadow issue? Pop that lash off so fast and just fix your eyeshadow, because it's a heck of a lot easier. Oh, that's gonna take a heck of a lot more fixing than that. I'm done, whatever, I'm just gonna leave it. And then you pop that sucker right back on, squeeze it towards the lashes, because, you know, and boom. Wow, I'm thoroughly impressed. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use these more. Yep, definitely favorite product I think I've ever gotten in BoxyCharm, just because this is a time saver. It's so much easier than regular lashes. Some of the magnetic lashes just don't work very well. So this, amazing. Anyways, I guess that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick review, see if it actually worked. And so far, I'm amazed. Obviously, I keep saying that. So let me know your thoughts, what you think of these lashes, and if you've ever used any other magnetic lashes. I do have another set to try. These are Allure London Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. They're foam ink lashes. You get 15 wears. Comes with one pair and the eyeliner. I am not gonna try them today, but I will save this for another video. We'll try to do like 5-minute reviews and see if they work. So today's, I think, went very well. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed the short video, the short review. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.